Welcome to Quit Smoking Trial Session. Smoking is primarily a mental addiction. 90% of smoking is mental and only 10% is physical. And because it is mental, it happens at two stages. One, at the stage of the conscious brain, and two, at the stage of our subconscious brain. And in these 5 days, what is going to happen is I'm going to share with you tiny bite sizes of content where I'll send you a video which will have around 10 to 20 minutes of session, which will be, and there I'll ask you to complete some action steps. Once you do that for the next 4 days, on the fifth day, you are going to gain complete freedom from smoking in your conscious brain. And then on the last day, which is the fifth day, I'm going to tell you in the live session how you can gain that freedom in the subconscious brain too in the next 11 days. So let's begin. Let me share my screen with you. So, see what we are going to do in these 5 days. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to see the smoking immunity meter and check the level of addiction. And then we are going to understand a term called the nicotine trap. It is the classical nicotine trap because of which you smoke. Then tomorrow, I'm going to share with you craving, what it means, how it happens, and what are those cravings that you have. I'll list it and I'll discuss with you tomorrow. Then on the third day, we'll discuss the reasons for those cravings. On the fourth day, I'll discuss with you what to do to get over those cravings, how to manage them. I'm going to share with you a very powerful tool to do that. And on the fifth day, which is on Friday, you will have this Q&A session, and I'll share with you how you can gain complete freedom from smoking in your subconscious brain too. And with that, let's begin on today's session. So this smoking immunity meter is basically a Google form. What you have to do is it has got 25 statements, and let me share that with you so that you can clearly understand what needs to be done. So here is this smoking immunity meter. Now, here you have to just fill in your name and these details, and then it has these 25 statements, all right? For example, the first statement is smoking helps me in managing stress. Now, what do you think about this statement? This statement is either true for you or false for you. If it is true for you, then how true it is. If it is absolutely true for you, you can give it 9 or 10. If you think, no, this I don't believe in this, so you can give it a 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever the number you believe, you can give it to that. It is basically it is not how you should feel, it is what you actually feel. That is how you rate it. And what you have to do is, once you rate these statements, you have to manually count your number. So what I mean is, smoking helps me in managing stress. For this, my number is say 9. Next one is, smoking relaxes me. For this, my number is say 8. So I add 9 plus 8, it becomes 17. Then smoking helps me in concentration. Yeah, it is true for me, 9. 17 plus 9. So you just add these numbers, it becomes 26. So smoking helps me in reducing weight. So whatever you feel about this statement, if it is true, give it a higher number. If it is false, give it a lower number. And then if say I give it a number 7. So I had 26 up to here, 26 plus 7, I have 33. So similarly, I will go on rating all these statements, and I'll keep on adding these numbers. And once you have completed this form, add all the numbers and give me the total of your smoking immunity meter by WhatsApp. So send reply to that WhatsApp and share there total of smoking immunity meter or SIM total is equal to what is your number, give me there. And after doing that, submit this form. So I repeat, what you have to do is, in this smoking immunity meter, you have to read each statement which is here. These are 25 statements. You have to rate each statement, then manually add the numbers. It will not give you the total automatically. You will have to add it manually. So once you manually add all the numbers, give me that total of a smoking immunity meter by chat in the WhatsApp, and then you can submit this form. All right? Excellent. Now, let's move on to the next exercise that we have here. The next thing that I want to share with you today is the nicotine trap. Now, you see, you smoke that cigarette for the classical nicotine trap. What is this nicotine trap? It is like the first cigarette that you smoke. What happens is, after smoking the first cigarette, within next 1 hour, the nicotine level reduces by half. Then again you get the feeling of smoking that cigarette after 1 hour. What you do is, you once again take out a cigarette, smoke that cigarette. Then again in the next 1 hour, what is going to happen is, this nicotine that you supplied to your body, this is again going to reduce by half. Then again you feel like having that cigarette. You take out that cigarette again, smoke that cigarette. Again, that nicotine is supplied to the blood, so it is now nicotine full. Again in the next 1 hour, what's going to happen is, this nicotine will reduce by half. And again you would feel like smoking that cigarette. Now, this is that cycle which all started with the first cigarette. And you're just doing the rounds and rounds and rounds of the same place again and again. It is like a hamster wheel where you are just sprinting towards an inevitable crash landing. You're just doing the round and round and round and round and round there. And that is the classical nicotine trap. And you smoke for that classical nicotine trap. And let me tell you, this nicotine trap is primarily 90% of it is mental, only 10% is physical. Hope you understood the nicotine trap. Now, what you have to do is, go to the WhatsApp and reply to me. Write down there, what do you understand by nicotine trap? I have only these two things to share with you today: nicotine trap and a smoking immunity meter. The exercise for you today is, you have to write down in the reply message, what do you understand by nicotine trap? And then you have to give me your total of a smoking immunity meter. Give me your total SIM score in the chat by WhatsApp. And I see you tomorrow. Take care.